Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this pink, purple, and gold cut crease makeup look. To start this look, I put tape on the edges of my eyes. And I'm using the Juvia's Place Berries palette for this pink shade, and I start to make the cut crease shape. Then for the other half, I use the Jeffree Androgyny palette for the shade Androgyny, creating a wing shape on the edges and blending it in with the pink in the middle. After I have the shape I want, I start to thicken the line and I start to blend it out. I also use some of that same pink above the Androgyny shade to blend out the darker color. Then with makeup remover and a Q-tip, I cut the crease and remove any excess eyeshadow. Then I'll be using some concealer on top of that. Here I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place Garden of Juvia palette for the yellow Marigold shade, and I'm putting this in the inner corners of the lid. Then using that same pink shade as before, I'm going to be blending that in with the yellow in the middle of the eye. Then for the outer corner of the lids, I'll be using the same Androgyny palette. For this, I'm not going all the way up to the cut crease because I want to have some separation to see where I'm going to put the line of gold. For the line of gold that I put in the cut crease, I'm using the Mayron Metallic Powder in gold. And I'm just creating a line of gold along the cut crease. Then I use a little bit of the pink and yellow shades for underneath the eyes. Next, I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and then I top this with false lashes. And for the lips, I'm using a purple shade from the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. And that completes this pink, purple, and gold cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.